Alright. Hopefully everything's looking okay here. It's been a hot minute since I've been out on the bike. Well, at least recording. No, in general, really. It's been a heck of about a month stretch, guys, where I haven't got a lot done. Glad I had a whole bunch of stuff saved up because I've only got 9 miles on the bike so far for the month of November. But let's go ahead and roll the intro. Today we're going to talk about the dreaded
end of riding season
and what you can expect for the channel in the meantime. Roll it. Temperature today here in Kansas City. I think we're cruising right about 45 degrees right now, and you definitely feel it. I got a thermal layer on my legs, got my jeans on, then I got another thermal shirt on, I got my flannel riding jacket on underneath, and then I got this nice Dixon hoodie on top of that. So far anyway, not too bad, but we're just now getting above 30, so that could change. But guys, this is always the time of year that I hate the most, the end of riding season. And you know, unless you live in the South,
yes, the deep South,
you come across it some earlier than others. I know my Canadian friends have already kind of put their stuff away because, you know, what's the point? I think like Diesel on them already have snow on the ground. Yuck. Ooh, but it feels good to get out and ride today. It's Friday.
You ain't got no job, and you ain't got shit to do.
Gotta pick up the kid in a little bit. But whoa, oh, there's the cold that I was being told about. Woo. I do apologize for getting a little popping. I just realized the hoodie straps are banging. But yeah, the end of the riding season, it's just such a tough time. I might have another episode probably much later in January, off the bike type of thing, where I'm, you know, talking about the seasonal depression that comes along with not being able to ride and not getting out. But that's a video for another time. What I'm going to talk about today in this very brief update is what you can expect from the channel as we go into non-riding season. You could have gone. But yeah, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing a lot of off the bike camera work and videos and films and everything else. So if you follow me on Instagram, you realize by now that I got a new digital camera, a Canon EOS RP, which I've been kind of playing around with, getting the video kind of ready to go. Got a couple episodes upcoming way in the future that's going to be utilizing that. In addition to that, I'm trying to, starting with like this episode here, I kind of changed some settings on the GoPro to see if I like the style that comes out or not. And what I mean by style is I changed the frames per second to 24. From what I have found out, we're read 24 frames per second is the quote-unquote industry standard. So along with that, it's not going to be quite as smooth looking, but it's going to have a more natural look to it, they say. We'll see. I'm doing this episode and I'm filming one more afterwards, and I'm going to go home and, you know, edit those and see what they feel like. And if I don't like them, I'll just go back. But anyway, that's the first change is going from 60 frames per second 4K down to 24 frames per second 4K. The second camera change on the GoPros is we are going to be utilizing the flat profile. I want to get into some color grading on my films, even if it's just a motovlog, because you know I just want it to be a little different, I guess. I don't want to just put the camera on and go, which GoPro is very good at allowing you to do so, but if you're trying to set yourself apart from the pack, you gotta change things up. So that's what we're doing with the cameras. Now, as far as what we're going to be doing on the channel with all these off the bike videos that I mentioned, I got a couple helmet reviews coming up. What else do I got? I got some kind of, not parody videos, but some not so serious videos. I think videos like Superman Kev will probably appreciate. And then I want to kind of, you know, hopefully I can get the bike out here a little bit still this winter and start taking some new photography shots again with the Canon. I really do think this Canon is going to open up a lot of new opportunities for me. Even just like my Dynamic Duo web stream that Fletch and I know we haven't done one in a while. Lives got busy, but I think even that will make that look so much better. I need to kind of finish setting up the studio in the garage, so I plan on filming some things like that. You know, just things that, you know, maybe they're not going to be the most entertaining or jaw-dropping, but at least it's something to get us through the winter time, right? But again, I just wanted to kind of give a quick update. I really don't like posting once a week. I wish I could do twice, but my lifestyle says just do one right now, which I'm trying to stick to, unless I could come out and make one of these like shorter videos like we're doing here today. Again, I do appreciate all the support. The channel has been greatly grown over the last couple of weeks, couple months, and we couldn't do it without you guys. So with that being said, I'll catch you on the next dark side, as this is the way. Chopper Fit out.